Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna have a tutorial on the visibility widget. So as the name says, visibility, it is used to show or hide a widget. So let's see an example. So as you can see, I've already created my new Flutter project. Okay, to use that, first I will use a bool variable of, let's say, is visible, and set its value to true. Okay, I have a center with a child of column, and I have already set the main axis alignment to center. Now let's create a widget and then we'll apply the visibility onto that. So let's say I have a container with a width of 100 and height of 100, and in the decoration I'll just set its shape to circle, box shape dot circle, and apply a colors dot blue. Okay, let's run this project first. Okay, so after running the project successfully, we can see a container. Okay, let's increase its height and width first for a better example. Okay, so we have to apply the visibility widget onto this container. So for that, I'm first creating a raised button. Yes. Uh, Sorry, raised button is deprecated. We'll use elevated button instead of this. And in this on pressed method, I'll apply set state, and the variable that we have created earlier, invisible, we have to use this for our visibility. So let's set this invisible equals to exclamation mark invisible. So here this exclamation mark plays the role of inversion. So yes, now let's apply the visibility. Wrap this widget with visibility, and visibility takes a property of visible. Paste this invisible here. Okay, let's check. So when I click this button, it will inverse this widget. So it's being hidden right now, and when I click again, the inversion will work and we got our widget. Okay, so this is the simple example. Now one thing you must keep in mind is the visibility. You can set it with three options. One is visible, number second is invisible, and third is gone. So currently we are in the option of visible, and when I click this button, it will hide. So now this we are in the property of gone. The reason for that is when we are in the state of gone, it means that the widget will completely hide, and it would not take any gap, it would not occupy any kind of a space, so it is completely destroyed. And when I click again, we are back onto the visible state. So let's see an example of invisible. So what invisible actually does is, when you click this button, it will hide, but it will occupy the area of that widget means we have set the width to 150 and height to 150 respectively. It would set occupy that kind of area, but the widget would remain invisible. So for that we have to use the 2 3 more properties of visible. That is, set the maintain animation property to true, as well as maintain size to true, maintain state to true, and set the maintain interactivity to false. Now if you check, okay, first, okay, so now when you click this button and it would hide the widget, but so as you can see, this button didn't move up, and the visibility widget means that this container has already occupied its space, but the end user could not see it. So that is the example of invisible setting. So that's all from this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more videos please hit that bell icon. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.